Hey guys, it's Danebo here. First of all, happy Easter. Now I know I usually don't get in front of the camera to do my videos, but this time I wanted to do something a little bit different. So, to celebrate Easter, we're gonna put a Peep in a microwave. But not just any microwave. See this microwave right here? We've converted it from a 1,000-watt microwave to a 100,000-watt microwave. Now I haven't tried putting one of these in there yet, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. You're gonna find out at the same time I do, so let's go check it out. Alright, here's our cute little Peep on a plate. Not gonna be cute for too much longer. Let's go. Oh crap, I can't see anything. I gotta turn the light off. Oh my god! What the hell is that? Oh, I'm out of here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Oh my god!